Hey everyone, welcome back to the Model Factory. So yes, we are here and we're back making another video. Figured it was time to show my face again here on the channel since we've been away for a little bit. You know, we just haven't had a whole lot of time to make videos lately, so that's kind of why we've been hidden, but we've not been gone. We've been out here working a little bit here and there and getting some things done. And so we'll get into builds and things in a future video. But I did want to give you guys a quick update here at the bench and kind of let you see what's been happening. First and foremost, we're really excited about it. We did get some new camera equipment, and we ended up getting a new camera to shoot our videos with, and some new lighting to kind of help light it and make it look a little bit better. And so for those of you guys that don't know or wonder, I shoot my videos with a DSLR camera, and before we were using a Nikon, and just kind of always wanted to switch over and see what it was like to do it with a Canon. So we ended up doing that a few weeks ago, and we got a new camera, and so I'm shooting it here. I've been testing it out and playing with it, and really been happy with the quality of video that it has been producing. So there you go. This is it. We're shooting with the new camera and the new lights and everything, and checking it out and all that good stuff. Hopefully this will make the videos a little bit better for you guys. Make the lighting a little bit better and let you guys kind of see what's going on all that much more. Also, we were able to kind of do some work here in the work area, and we got ourselves a new desk. We did have just kind of a thrown together wooden bench that I had built up, and it wasn't that, it wasn't bad, but it wasn't great. And so we ended up, I got this desk, and it's nice. It's got some cubbies. We've got a few shelves over here on the other side that we can use to store things in and all that good stuff. So it's helping us organize our place a little bit better here and lay it out and get us kind of a cleaner workspace. You guys can kind of see right back here, there is the Bronco, and we'll talk about that later, but it is on the bench, and yes, we have gotten work done on it. Also, one thing that's happened while I have been gone, and one of the reasons why we haven't really made a whole lot of videos lately, is the computer that I was using to make my videos on has gone bye-bye. We had to get everything off of it and move it over to our other computer, and unfortunately in that process we were not able to get off all of the video files that I had put together previously, things like the intro and all that kind of stuff. So unfortunately we lost a lot of that, and so we're gonna kind of have to start from scratch and redo a lot of that stuff again. But it's okay, we move on. We still have the ability to make videos, and we'll still be doing that. Just kind of getting ourselves reset up and re-going here. But anyway, that's it, guys. That's what's been going on around here. Stay tuned, because I'm going to have an update on that Bronco, letting you guys see where we're at and what's been going on there. So, all right, anyway, guys, keep the awesome inspiration coming. Keep those great builds that are going on. I've been watching them, and just haven't had a chance to really comment or anything, but I've been watching your guys' stuff, and there's just some fantastic builds going on right now. So keep up the great work, everybody, and like I always say, eat, sleep, styrene, and I'll see you in the next video.